Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Asian Report for the 11th of October, starting with the ASX here. This has been our original account, which looks like I'll probably be having to delete because we're going to be seeing this move up higher through here. Now, we can still have a bearish count here, but I doubt it. But let's go in and have a look at a different bearish count here. So the move down from the top here would be wave 1 and 2, and then 1, and then an A and a B wave here, and 5 waves up to the 6650 as wave 2, and then dropping from that point. So we need to be aware of that. So we're going to go long today, but don't overload yourself until we've got support on top of 6650. So getting support on top of this particular level here, we will see some sort of reaction around this level because of supply levels here, and we'll see the classic trading levels pattern or the variation of that before moving higher here as well. But I want to go along here today, and in both cases we'll see Friday and Monday push higher here. If Friday doesn't push higher, then Monday's obviously not going to push higher as well. So one leads into the other, and we'll see the profit taking on the Tuesday. So let's go in and have a look at the bullish count for this. So the bullish count will be looking at this as an A and a B and a C wave here now, and wave 1 here with an A and a B and a C wave here for wave 2, and then moving up for wave 1 and 2 and 3 and so on, moving to the upside there. So getting some bearing on this on the daily 1 hour chart here where we place our trades. So we can go long right now, and we'll just keep the stop out of the way here for a little while, because we're going to be seeing the first dance across here will be at the 6,600, and the same pattern I just drew before will occur again here. So we'll see the arrival, which we've already seen here. We'll see the reaction here. We'll see which we're already seen. We'll see the first high above the level, and we'll see some type of corrective move across here, finding support and moving up higher here. So we can take 2 trades here. We can go, well, that's already moved up, but we can go long here now, and we can also just keep the stop out of the way for the time being. And once we've got support on top of here, then we can either go long on that top, or we can bring it down to this top here as well. So I'll just copy that and bring that down lower here, which means it would be that one here at that point. Okay, and then once the market has done this here, then you can bring this stop here and then bring that stop here up under that low here. But that pattern has to occur here first. You can only move stops once technically things have fallen into place. So you need to watch your money management, your position sizing. So you don't expose yourself too much. You don't want to be carrying too much exposure. So so that's that. Let's see how we go with that, and this we'll look at this, how this counts up here. Well, we can have a bit of a look now on the tick chart here. So from this low here, we need to look at this as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here for wave 1, and then I'm looking all the way over here for a complicated wave 2. Because wave 2 is complicated, then wave 4 is going to be simple, which it is. I suppose we could also get another wave 1 out of this here as such as well, but I'll just play it safe for the time being and place it over here. So in this case here, we will see this move up here in 5 waves up through here, and then we'll see the A wave, the B wave, and the C wave coming back into play here for the little wave 2 here, as I was talking about before, and then moving up from there. But we've got this is a good accumulation base here, so this is the distribution occurring here. Let's move on to Hong Kong. So Hong Kong's going to be pushing higher as well now. When a market, I mean, we were looking to go short below here, and if you're short, when you need to be have the stop above that, so we're out. But this is going to be pushing higher now, so we'll see this push up into this space here. Okay, so that's for Hong Kong, and for India, we'll also push higher as well. So last time we spoke, we were looking at the top here as, well, from the low here, we could count 1 and 2 and 3 here, or we could have counted this as an A and a B and a C wave to this point here. But this here is appearing corrective here with overlapping wave structures of this move up here. So we need to look at it as a corrective wave. I already had this drawn through this angle through here. Obviously we've got to bring it right through. So anyway, you can also look to go long on top of 11,200 in terms of the same pattern as well here. So waiting for that first high to move above the level here. So we've had the arrival, the reaction. We can still wait for the first high to move up. Wait till it's not support on that level yet. So if you're looking for a safe trade, then look for that 200 as the support in that instance there, and we'll see 5 waves up. In fact, this can also be placed over here for that, and wave 5 should take the top of that out. Once that occurs, that will leave us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So then we'll be looking for an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave coming back into this space here, because that will be the nice support zone at that point. So then we'll push up from that point. So at this stage, if you go long, you just need to leave your stop under the wave 4 here. All right, so just a short video, but Friday's looking bullish, which should push through to the Monday as well. Alrighty, thanks for tuning in. Cheers.